Aircraft Maintenance Production Planning and Records Management Course Overview. This 2-day professional development training program is designed to equip participants with the fundamental knowledge and skills necessary to methodically carry out aircraft maintenance production planning and records management activities within an aircraft maintenance organization. It includes illustrative examples and activities to facilitate practical understanding and competence development. It is aimed at engineering technicians and graduates who are new to aircraft maintenance production planning and records management, or intermediate professionals who are involved with this function but have never received formal training. The course is structured into 3 modules. The first module, Airworthiness Fundamentals, explores the concept and principles of airworthiness and how this is linked to the role of an aircraft maintenance production planner and records administrator. The second module, Aircraft Maintenance Production Requirements and Planning, elaborates on what capacity and capability planning for a maintenance production entails, based on the customer's maintenance requirements. It also expounds on a systematic approach to work scheduling and package preparation, as well as how to deal with typical production planning issues without compromising safety. And finally, the third module, Aircraft Maintenance Production Implementation and Feedback, unpacks the work monitoring and management process step by step, as well as key considerations in the post-maintenance work review and records management. The course is available to complete online as an e-learning program with instructor support. Consequently, it is ideal for clients looking for self-paced and flexible training solutions which can be accessed from anywhere and at any time. Alternatively, it is also available for virtual or in-company classroom delivery upon request. This is ideal for corporate clients looking for instructor-led training solutions to cater for the professional development needs of their organization. Please refer to the video description below for further information about the course, including a free PDF program descriptor. Thanks for listening, and we look forward to supporting your training requirements.